Day, McVeigh, and happy Thursday. Good morning, boys and girls. All right, so our Get Smart project today, super duper cool. So, Ashley Flores, Angela Chen, Andy Zhang all came together, fifth graders, to write a book, biographies of inventors and scientists. And inside there's a table of contents, so of the scientists and inventors that they studied and then wrote the book about. But just take a look at this book. It looks like the kind of book that you would go to the library and just take out. It's so professional. They typed all of the words that they were going to put in. They're not handwritten. They have put photos and illustrations of artifacts and the history that relates to these people. They studied Albert Einstein, Jane Goodall. Some people out there, I know you know these names because you're studying them yourself. Leonardo da Vinci, a famous artist. We had a project the other day. Listen to this name, Nikola Tesla. Do you remember that car project? Let's see, Thomas Alva Edison. And what you see is when you open up, here's a famous quote from Einstein and how Albert Einstein was important to our world. And then when you turn the page, you'll find out about Goodyear, Charles Goodyear. Did you ever hear of Goodyear tire? Could they be related? And then at the top of each page, Lena Dong is here, which I didn't mention before. You're going to see the author for that scientist. So this one was Angela Chen. This one is Lena Dong. And it just keeps going. It's so good. So here's Abira. She did one. Kylie Chen, like I said. Zeldin has a chapter in here. Andy. I mean, it's so well done. Then Miss Sontarp did one on Thomas Alva Edison. Just excellent. And this will be in our library, so you can take it out and read it. But please be careful because it's very valuable and the pages are not bound by a publisher. So these, you'll see that there are pages that are glued on. We have to make sure we take good care of this book. All right, now let's get to our Wordle. Some people got this. Let's see. I have, well, several people got the mystery number, but here we go. Umeo, Gabriel, let's see. I think that's it on getting the word. Might be one more. Hold on. Might be Finbar. Yes, Finbar also got this. Now, we learned yesterday that these two letters are consonants and they are the most used. That's the R. And one of the most used, that is a T. And this is the one of the first three consonants in the alphabet. That's a D. We also learned that this word can be changed into another word by adding an A, subtracting the Y, and adding ION. Yep. Okay. Here's our final clue. This is a vowel. And we say this word every day in the Pledge of Allegiance. All right, mystery number. Some of you got this, like I said. We have Vincenzo. Who else? Faith. Sorry, it's stuck. Madison. This one has no name. Maybe it does on the back. Charlie. Yep. Let's see. Umeo got this also. Zainab. All of Miss Perry's class. Ruth. Evelyn. Miss Page's class. Gabriel. Okay. So, we know that this number is odd. Both digits are odd. And that They are not homonyms. And we know that this whole number is less than 60. So this should be the clue that helps you determine if this is 33 or 55. Because those are the two numbers left, 3s and 5s. Okay, so, you ready? In my number, the vowels are not separated by a consonant. All right, so see if you can figure that out. And now it's time for a mighty kind moment of the day. Let's get a drum roll. Da, da, da. Okay, so today's mighty kind moment of the day is a shout out to Alicia from Miss McCready's class, who saw somebody at playtime with nobody to play with, and what did she do? She approached that child and asked them to play with her. Now, I notice there's a lot of boys and girls that really don't play with anybody in particular outside. They're playing, working on the equipment, but they're not really playing with each other. Maybe you can look around yourself and see if there's somebody who seems to be playing but not really playing with anybody, and ask them to play with you. So then you play on the equipment together, or you play on the blacktop together, whatever it is, so that you are playing with a friend. Anybody can do that. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minded. Everyday boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.